Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this tutorial, I'm going to be guiding you through how to log out of your Steam application on your mobile device. If you need to log out of your Steam app on mobile, then here's the fastest and safest way to do it. First of all, launch open the Steam application on your Android or iPhone, and once you're inside the home page, go ahead and tap the three horizontal lines at the bottom right corner. Soon after you do that, you'll open up the menu option. Now from the menu option, go to the top right corner and tap on the little question mark button. Now, at the bottom of the next page, you will see a sign out button. Before signing out of your account, make sure you remember your credentials for your account so that you can log in back again. If you are sure you have your credentials, tap on sign out and confirm by tapping on yes in the pop-up. Soon after you do that, you have successfully signed out or logged out of your Steam application on your mobile device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Steam how-tos, and check out our other videos on Steam on the channel. I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.